The vast ocean that covers 71% of the Earth's surface hides a world that we have only discovered less than 5%. And in that mysterious world, there are small creatures that carry the whole magical sky of creation, starfish, the sparkling stars at the bottom of the ocean. Today, we will dive deep into their world, discovering each secret from their unique body structure, extraordinary abilities that amaze scientists, to the important role in the marine ecosystem that few people expect. Let's start with the name starfish. In ancient Greek, they were called asteroidea, which means star-shaped, which perfectly matches their appearance. But don't let their fragile appearance fool you, because behind it lies a sophisticated biological machine. The starfish's body is made up of millions of tiny skeletal cells called ossicles, connected together by flexible, elastic muscles. Active. What's special is that they don't have a centralized brain like us. Instead, they have a ring-shaped nervous system around their mouth and nerves radiating out to each wing, forming a distributed network of intelligence. Did you know that starfish breathe with their feet? That's right. On the surface of each tiny leg tube are thousands of mini lung-like structures called papillae, which exchange oxygen directly with seawater. A unique hydraulic circulatory system helps them pump seawater throughout their bodies to transport nutrients, completely replacing the blood circulatory system like other species. And their eyes? Each wing tip has a light-sensitive eye spot, which cannot see clearly but can distinguish light and dark, helping to orient in the vast ocean world. When it comes to regeneration, starfish are truly unrivaled masters. Not only do they stop at regrowing lost wings, some species like Lynchia multifora can also detach a wing to form a new individual, a special form of asexual reproduction. Scientists have discovered that starfish stem cells have the ability to differentiate extremely flexibly, a discovery that is revolutionizing the field of regenerative medicine. But even more amazing is the Panamanian starfish Phateria unifacialis, which, when attacked, can automatically detach its injured arm to escape, then regrow it completely in just 2 to 3 weeks. The digestive system of starfish is a masterpiece of evolution. In addition to the ability to turn its stomach inside out, it also possesses 2 stomachs, a cardiac stomach for extracorporeal digestion and a pyloric stomach for internal digestion. Each arm has its own digestive gland, allowing them to absorb nutrients extremely efficiently. Some species, such as the crown-of-thorns starfish, secrete extremely powerful enzymes that can liquefy prey tissue in just a few minutes. In terms of reproduction, starfish are truly multi-talented artists. They can reproduce asexually by fragmenting their bodies, but when reproducing sexually, the sight is even more spectacular. On certain full moon nights of the year, thousands of starfish release sperm and eggs into the seawater, creating a beautiful bioluminescent dance. Starfish larvae go through the bipennaria and brachyolaria stages, floating in the water for up to 2 months before settling on the seabed. The biodiversity of starfish is overwhelming. From the tiny Pateriella parvivipara, only 1 centimeter long, to the 1.5 m long monster Sutterchaster perilii. From the plump cookie star to the basket star with its spiderweb-like branches. In the deep sea, species like Brachyngida develop up to 50 long, slender arms to catch floating prey, and the Ophiuroidea moves at lightning speed thanks to its flexible, undulating arms. The ecological role of starfish is extremely important. They are the cleaners devoted to the seabed, feeding on dead bodies and decaying organic matter. Some species, such as the ochre starfish, Pisaster ocraceus, are considered keystone species, and if they disappear, the entire ecosystem will collapse. They control the number of mussels and oysters, creating conditions for other species to thrive. Scientists have also discovered that many starfish species can absorb heavy metals, becoming important bioindicators of ocean health. Sadly, many starfish populations are in serious decline. Sea star wasting disease has wiped out 90% of the sea star population along the North American coast. Microplastic pollution makes it difficult for starfish larvae to develop. Rising sea temperatures disrupt their reproductive cycles. In Japan, the once common Echinaster lazonicus is now on the red list. Conservation efforts are being implemented everywhere. In Australia, people have built special marine reserves for starfish. Starfish are not only common marine creatures. They are an endless source of inspiration for science. Science, from underwater soft robots to self-healing materials. In culture, they symbolize rebirth and hope. And most importantly, each starfish is a living message about the miracle of life, about the extraordinary ability to adapt to all adversities. Looking at those little stars persistently clinging to the reef, moving little by little on the deep-sea floor, we suddenly realize, perhaps they are the stars that truly shine the brightest in this vast ocean universe. And protecting them is protecting the future of the entire ocean, the common home of humanity.